Step 1 is super easy. Get the TF Connect app on the Google Play Store or the App Store. Step 2. In order to register a farm, you need some tokens. This is where you can find your tokens and buy them online at various places. Please refer to the documentation to get the information. Step 3. Get a bot. It all starts with getting yourself a ThreeBot on the deploy page. The URL for the deploy page you can find in the documentation. Getting one is really easy. Press New to start the process. This will take a while, but please be patient. This platform allows you to do a lot. For now, we only needed to create a farm, so please select a very short time to live. And now we're getting to the point that you need to make a payment. A very small payment, but you need to do so. You can use your ThreeFold Connect app in the wallet and the wallet that is in there to pay for this by scanning the QR code. Payment is super easy and fast. You can download the config file to have direct secure access to your ThreeBot, but we don't do that now. This is the URL that you need in order to connect to it through a web browser. Now you need to log into your ThreeBot, which is very easy using the TF Connect app. Although fast, it's a few easy steps to create your farm and to get your farming ID. It's left to take your farm ID and to go to the Bootstrap site to download an image which is bootable.